great time. It's a good party. We got beautiful Miss Stephanie with us. She's excited as always. I brought Gage's 450, so I might cut around on that and get some rolling shots of the Honda and whatever else. We'll see how it goes. There's already a ton of people here. It's Saturday. Nobody saw that.
I caught myself.
Right now we're down here at the playground where there's this good old creek bank that everybody hits.
I almost ate shit, but I caught myself.
Brand new boy. Maybe not brand new, but. Pursue your passion. The video. It broke. He broke it. He broke that drum.
Quit fucking shit up.
Alright, hit it again, bub.
Get a new pair of riding boots.
Another one. Alright, that was too much.
Go up where you can see and then drop down. That's hilarious. He come up and
Lost Gage's seat coming up the hill. I think it's in there now. about buying an adventure bike or a dirt bike, maybe like a 450 or an older like BMW GS. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should get. I might sell the side-by-side. I don't know. It's just kind of getting old. I normally ride by myself in the side-by-side anyways, so probably gonna sell it. That is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button. We'll see you in the next one.